In this video, we shall see how to solve some questions related to a scalar product of two vectors. Here are some questions. Out of them, I am going to solve some questions. If you will find any problem in the remaining questions, you can comment me and I will solve in the next video. Let us look each question one by one. Question number 1. If vector A plus vector B plus vector C is equal to 0, modulus of A vector is equal to 3, modulus of B vector is equal to 5, modulus of C vector is equal to 7, then we have to find the angle between vector A and vector B. Next question, if vector A and vector B are two vectors of unit length and theta is the angle between them, then so that half modulus of A vector minus modulus of A vector minus vector B is equal to sine theta by 2. Next, next, next. Question number 1. Question is, if A vector plus vector B plus vector C is equal to 0, modulus of vector A is equal to 3, modulus of vector B is equal to 5, and modulus of vector C is equal to 7, find the angle between the vectors A and B. Now look at the solution. Here given A vector plus B vector plus vector C is equal to 0, or A vector plus B vector is equal to minus C vector, squaring on both sides we get vector A plus vector B whole square is equal to minus C vector whole square, or vector A square plus 2A vector dot B vector plus B vector square is equal to C vector square. So simply we can write here vector A square plus 2A vector dot B vector plus modulus of B vector square is equal to modulus of C vector square, or modulus of A vector is 3, so here 3 square plus 2A vector dot B vector plus, and here is 5 square is equal to, and this is 7 square, or 9 plus 2A vector dot B vector plus 25. 7 square means 49, or 34 plus 2 times a vector dot b vector is equal to 49, or 2 a vector dot b vector is equal to 49 minus 34, which gives 1 5 15. A vector dot b vector is equal to 15 by 2. 15 by 2. Now here we have to find the angle between a vector and vector b. So let theta be the angle between the vectors a and b. Then by the definition of a scalar product of two vectors is cos theta is equal to vector a dot vector b by modulus of vector a times modulus of b, or cos theta is equal to vector a dot vector b is 15 divided by 2 and modulus of a vector is 3 times modulus of b vector is 5, or cos theta is equal to 5 3 is 15, 1 by 2 remains. Cos theta is equal to inverse of cos 1 by 2, and therefore theta is equal to 1 by 2 means 60 degree. Inverse of cos 1 by 2 is 60 degree. Hence the angle between the vectors a and b is 60 degree. So this is the first question. Now the question number 2. If vector a and vector b are two vectors of unit length and theta is the angle between them, then we have to show that 1 by 2 modulus of vector a minus vector b is equal to sin theta by 2. Now look at the solution. Since vector a and vector b are unit vectors, so modulus of a vector a is equal to 1 and modulus of b vector is equal to 1. We have modulus of a vector minus vector b square is equal to vector a minus vector b square is equal to a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is vector a square minus 2a vector dot b vector plus vector b square is equal to, we can write here, modulus of a vector square minus 2 times of a vector dot b vector plus modulus of b vector square. here 1 whole square minus 2a vector dot b vector plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 minus 2, and by the definition of a vector dot b vector is modulus of a vector times modulus of b vector times cos theta, since the theta is the angle between a vector and b vector. 2 minus 2 and times 1 into cos theta is equal to 2 minus 2 cos theta. 2 is taken as a common, 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 times 2 sin square theta by 2 by formula of submultiple angles is equal to 4 times sin square theta by 2, or modulus of a vector minus modulus of b vector is equal to 2 sin theta by 2. Why it is so? Because magnitude of vector is not negative, so therefore half of modulus of a vector minus modulus of a vector minus vector b is equal to sin theta by 2, hence proved.